Joe Rogan, known as the podcast king, has dropped a bombshell that's creating waves in the space exploration community. In a recent episode of his hugely popular show, Rogan revealed he has declassified images that suggest NASA might be hiding the truth about
Oumuamua, which is an object that we detected in space that you believe could possibly have been extraterrestrial.
conspiracy theory. Or is Rogan onto something significant? What secrets could NASA be keeping that Rogan is about to expose? Join us as we explore the details of Rogan's revelations and what NASA might not want us to know. The latest episode of Joe Rogan's podcast has sparked intense controversy in the scientific community and beyond. The release of declassified images of a mysterious flying object has ignited a flurry of speculation and discussion. During the episode, Rogan and his guest delved into the possibility that this object might have alien origins, reigniting interest in the concept of intelligent life beyond Earth. Everyone is wondering, if this visitor is indeed an alien probe, why would NASA conceal such a groundbreaking discovery from the public? Is there a hidden agenda, or are they afraid of causing widespread panic? Curiosity about the true nature of this object is high, and the implications of such a revelation are profound. The launch of Sputnik 1 marked a significant turning point that changed our view of the universe. This groundbreaking artificial satellite, launched on October 4, 1957, by the Soviet Union, weighed 83.6 kilograms and orbited Earth every 96 minutes for several months. Its launch not only stunned the world, but also initiated the iconic space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. The successful deployment of Sputnik 1 showcased the Soviet Union's advanced technological prowess, surprising many and solidifying their status as a formidable force in space exploration. And that was just the beginning. With the first Explorer probes and the current Hubble Space Telescope and International Space Station collaborations, we have progressively expanded our understanding of the universe around us through space exploration. Nothing could have prepared us for the unsettling sight of an unidentified object lurking on the outskirts of our celestial neighborhood, even after decades of meticulous exploration and discovery. Is there any concrete proof that we are not alone in the universe? Apart from this mysterious entity, a new wave of conjecture and curiosity about our place in the universe has been sparked by the implications of this discovery, which are both thrilling and unsettling. The scientific community was taken aback by Oumuamua's unexpected appearance, which led to a thorough investigation to determine its true nature. Though initially thought to be natural in origin, a sequence of odd discoveries suggested a more intriguing possibility. Is this mysterious object, first seen in 2017, an alien probe? This brings us to Joe Rogan, who explored the mystery in a compelling podcast episode that has a large following. Expert theoretical physicist Avi Loeb was brought in, and together they examined the data related to Oumuamua. Secret photos that Rogan claimed NASA was trying to hide were the topic of their discussion. Their curiosity was piqued by the possibility that NASA had misled the public about the object's origins. But first, let us go back to the start of Oumuamua's story. On a clear October night in 2017, 9 years after the University of Hawaii launched the cutting-edge Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, astronomer Rob Warwick made an amazing discovery. It turned out that what at first glance appeared to be a normal comet or asteroid was actually an extraordinary visitor from interstellar space speeding through our cosmic neighborhood. Is Oumuamua of alien origin? Oumuamua's peculiar trajectory and extremely high velocity indicated that it originated from a location outside of our solar system. It appeared that this extraterrestrial guest knew secrets from a far-off region of the cosmos. Astronomers noticed something unexpected when they concentrated on this unique messenger. Oumuamua showed significant variations in brightness, indicating a distinct morphology. It was 5 or 10 times longer than it was wide. It was incredibly long. Scientists examined the Oumuamua light curve in an attempt to unravel this mystery. It was a graph that depicted how its brightness fluctuated as it moved through space. It was determined that the object was approximately 377 feet, 115 meters long, 364 feet, 111 meters wide, and 62 feet, 19 meters, thick after it unexpectedly appeared to be brightest when viewed from the side. With an albedo of just 0.1, it reflected very little sunlight, much like the nuclei of many comets. Numerous theories and inquiries were raised by Oumuamua's long cigar-shaped appearance. Some questioned whether it had encountered powerful tidal forces when it approached a star. Though plausible, this theory could not account for the object's precise size. The asteroid 25143 Itokawa, which was visited by Japan's Hayabusa probe in 2005 and had a similar elongated shape, was also examined. Even so, there was not a perfect fit in this comparison. Because Oumuamua lacked the characteristics common to comets in our solar system, it continued to be a mystery. Its shape was as mysterious as its journey through our solar system. It approached the Sun in an atypically close manner, before taking off at a velocity that no human-built spacecraft could match, 196,000 miles per hour, or roughly 315 kilometers per hour. Doubt increased as a result of this peculiar behavior. A complex gravitational dance between two stars is known as a binary star system, and some people wondered if this interstellar visitor had been expelled from one of these systems. University of Toronto astronomer Alan Jackson believes that objects such as Oumuamua originate in star systems and are expelled due to stellar interactions. However, there are additional theories. Some believe that Oumuamua is an iceberg composed of hydrogen, the most prevalent element in the universe, rather than a rocky asteroid. These individuals think that beneath the frozen hydrogen layer may lie a solid core of rock or metal. The hydrogen layer on Oumuamua may turn into gas as it travels through space, which would account for its abrupt acceleration and turbulence. Oumuamua's extraordinary speed may have resulted from all the strange experiences it had along the way, rather than from its unusual birth. Perhaps it is like a cosmic pinball game, with Oumuamua increasing in speed each time it bounces off a large planet or other space object within its home star system. But that's not all. Not only has Oumuamua, the enigmatic interstellar visitor, captivated the interest of scientists, but also people outside of the scientific community. In his in-depth discussion of this topic on his well-liked podcast, Joe Rogan raised concerns about the potential that NASA was hiding important facts regarding Oumuamua. The rumors surrounding this alien object have sparked debates about whether NASA's actions are appropriate and what secrets the agency might be hiding from the public. Experts have compared the Oumuamua trajectory to the celestial slingshot maneuver that spacecraft utilize to accelerate in the outer planets, such as the Voyager probes. According to the theory, Oumuamua has been able to travel great cosmic distances for a very long time by making use of the gravitational pull of planets and stars. Scientists are excited about the idea of a mission to study Oumuamua because they envision an exploration and curiosity-driven space voyage. Picture a group of bright engineers and astrophysicists painstakingly organizing the journey as they navigate the vastness of the cosmos, using only sporadic signals from Oumuamua for guidance. The spacecraft built for this mission would be a marvel of modern technology, furnished with sophisticated cameras and instruments to solve the puzzle of this mysterious object. However, a cloud of doubt hangs over this mission as Joe Rogan's podcast guest raises concerns about NASA's intentions and the potential misrepresentation of facts about Oumuamua by hinting at the possibility that they may be concealing important information. Many people wonder if the full extent of the secrets surrounding this extraterrestrial visitor will ever be revealed, as the controversy surrounding the truth about Oumuamua adds another level of complexity to the planned scientific mission. Do you think NASA will tell us the truth? Or perhaps they want to leave us in a state of perplexity? Like its composition, Oumuamua's peculiar elongated form is a perplexing enigma that leaves scientists and researchers both intrigued and perplexed. Is it possible that this object began as something bigger, may be a piece that was violently torn off of a far-off star, as some researchers speculate. Its remarkable velocity and peculiar characteristics might be explained by this turbulent birth theory. To further add to its mystery, Oumuamua does not leave behind a gaseous veil or a dust trail, in contrast to conventional comets. Its solid form differs from that of most objects in our solar system, casting doubt and confusion over our understanding of this extrastellar visitor. Joe Rogan's podcast brought these discussions into the mainstream, questioning whether NASA and other space agencies are fully transparent about what they know. While skepticism about government agencies is not new, the combination of Oumuamua's mysteries and Rogan's platform has amplified public curiosity and concern. The possibility that NASA might be withholding information fuels speculation about what else we might not know about our universe and the objects within it. NASA's stance has generally been cautious, emphasizing the need for more data and analysis before drawing definitive conclusions about Oumuamua. This cautious approach is standard in scientific research, where extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. However, the public's desire for answers and the sensational nature of the potential discoveries have created a fertile ground for conspiracy theories and speculation. As we continue to study Oumuamua, new missions and technological advancements may provide more clarity. Proposed missions to intercept and study interstellar objects like Oumuamua could yield unprecedented insights into their composition, origin, and nature. These missions would require international collaboration, advanced technology, and significant funding. But the potential rewards in terms of scientific knowledge are immense. The story of Oumuamua is far from over. As our understanding of this mysterious object evolves, so too will our perception of the universe. Whether it turns out to be a natural fragment, a hydrogen iceberg, or an alien probe, Oumuamua has already changed the way we think about interstellar objects and the possibilities they represent. It serves as a reminder that the universe is vast and full of surprises, many of which we have yet to discover. In the end, the intrigue surrounding Oumuamua and the questions it raises about extraterrestrial life and cosmic mysteries reflect our enduring fascination with the unknown. It challenges us to keep exploring, questioning, and expanding our horizons, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can imagine. The truth about Oumuamua, whatever it may be, promises to be a pivotal chapter in our quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it.